So the two opening batsmen, start is the signal from the umpire. Looks like Pakshal will open the bowling proceedings. Strike पे कौन है? Pakshal, he is on his way. Good ball, starts off nicely. Length ball beats the right straight to the wicket keeper. This is BJC Cup 2026 season 6, playing at the Wadlock Cricket Ground, Ballari. Hello. ಆಯ್ತು ಮುಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಎರಡು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾಗದ ಸೊ 2 ball 2 dots ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಬಂದರು and gone. I think now put down, would you believe it? Bharat Chitti is the wicket keeper, normally very good fielder, but on that time totally made a mess of it. Thin outside edge, the wicket keeper Bharat Chitti unable to hold on to it. Lucky break for the batsman. 3 ball 3 dots. Good bowling from Pakshal, bowling wicket to wicket, good line, good length, bowling around off and middle. Not trying to bowl quickly, just bowling with ease. But one bounce into the hands of the fielder. Rocky Mehul is the fielder. First run on the board after playing 4 deliveries. Catch dropped. So both batsmen opens their account with a single each. 2 runs on the board. 2 balls left. Played it horizontally down the ground. Man at long on. Kalp is the fielder. Last ball remaining in this over. Want to go hard on the bowler. Dot ball to finish the over. Very good over from Pakshal Jain. After 1 over, 3 runs without any loss. Today, 6th day in this tournament. Naresh is the second bowler, ready to bowl from the grand stage end. Sandeep is on strike. In the air, luckily landed safely. Naresh and Pakshal Jain, the two bowlers bowling at the moment, both are very experienced. Both are looking for wickets early. Playing miss again.
Hello.
Good shot. Takes the aerial route. Played over wide long on. That's for 6 and a welcome 6. The 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Very good shot. Appeal not given by the umpire. Again want to repeat the same.
क्या? हाँ, क्या?
Well struck down the ground.
चालेगा क्या? क्या कहते? कैसा है बच्चा? अच्छा नहीं अच्छा.
Last ball. That's up in the air. This should be taken, looks like, and it is. So first wicket goes down. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PMD. So first wicket goes down. Caught it long on in the hands of Kalp. Looks like yes it is. Very good catch by Kalp. Takes the aerial route. Want to clear the long on region again, but has got the height, not the distance. Only manages to find the man at long on, and he takes it comfortably. Just a catch in practice. 2 overs gone. 11 for 1. Last over remaining in the power play. New batsman Rajesh, experienced man, senior campaigner, comes out to the middle. Kalp introduced into the attack, and Kalp comes to ball. Already he has taken the catch at long on. Last over in the batting power play, mandatory batting power play. 11 for 1 after 2 overs. Naman Chajad is on strike. Just putting a bat on ball, goes to the short third man. There is a fielder inside the circle. 1 run to the total. Now Rajesh Munwar is on strike. Had to face a ball. Planned miss again, just inside the guideline, well bowled. Nice and gone. Bottom outside edge of the bat, straight to the wicket keeper. Another wicket goes down. This time Rajesh Munwar has to depart. 2 down, 2 early blows. Kalp picks up his first wicket. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Rajesh Munwar out for duck without tickling the scorer. New batsman Kailash comes at number 4. Kailash Jain comes up to the middle. Two early blows. 12 for 2. Good catch from Anil Savla. Changes in the field. The man at mid-on comes to mid-off and the man at mid-off goes to mid-on. Slight changes in the field by Kalp. Third over in the mandatory batting power play and the last over. Oh, good ball. That's a boogie. That's bang. Bang on target. Slightly in swing from Kalp. Kailash is on strike facing Kalp. Again the ball hitting the body on the way through. This is very, very good bowling. Another dot ball. Just so far 1 run in this over and 1 wicket for Kalp. Very good start to the proceedings. Looks like a white ball. Yes, it is. Outside the guideline, white ball signal by the umpire. Extra run to the total. Last ball remaining to complete over number 3. Played it on the onside, straight to square leg. They will go through for the run. Kailash off the mark. 1 run to the last ball of the last over after 3 over. 14 run for the loss of 2 wickets. Good over from Kalp comes to an end with conceded 3 runs and 1 wicket. Naresh looks like to be the bowler. He will bowl the second over of his spell. Already 1 wicket for Naresh. After 3 over, 14 for 2. 4th over to go. Batting power play, mandatory batting power play completed. 4th over to go. Just on the leg side, help the ball on its way and ball runs away to the boundary. Boundary signal by the umpire, very good shot. The boundary sponsored by the Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Good shot. And gone! Straight into the throat of the man at deep square leg. That's a very good catch. The batsman has got all the time in the world wherever he want to hit. Straight in the throat of the man at deep square leg. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sporting. Wicket sponsored by PM District. To the total, Dinesh Bafna off the mark with that single. Dinesh Bafna came to bat after the dismissal of Kailash. Very good striker of the ball, Dinesh Bafna. Naman Chajad is on strike. Chipped it in the air, just out of the reach of the fielder. Culprit tried his level best, but well away from that fielder. 1 run to the total. Last 2 balls remaining in this over. 21 for 3. Just using the pace of the bowler in the air and in the gap. Boundary signal by the umpire. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto. Played it down the ground to the deep cover region. There is a fielder. Another single. 4 overs completed. After the completion of 4 overs, 26 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. They are scoring just more than 6 runs per over at the moment. Naresh conceded 12 runs in his second over. Couple of boundaries. Looks like might be a bowling change. Vyom into the attack. Slightly strained on the leg side, and one run to the total. Naman Chajad is on 17 from 11, looking good. Meanwhile, Dinesh Bafna is on strike. Dinesh Bafna is a kind of a batsman who always looks to go on the bowler. Onside is that's his favorite place. That's up in the air. I don't think that will carry to the man at long off. Just a single. It's rare to see Dinesh Bafna play on the offside. Very easily done around to the onside. Can they push back for the second? They bat for the second. I think they will get it. They will make it easily. Very good running though. For 3. Again, same shot, but this time ball goes to straight to the square leg. Back for the second. Another couple of runs to the total. Little partnership developing in between Naman Chajad and Dinesh Bafna. 32 for 3. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 5. Good shot, played it calculatedly. Single to the total, last ball to go to complete over number 5. Plenty of options for the Rumex challengers. Still to come, Jimmy Jain, who has got already 5 wicket haul. Very good record by Jimmy Jain. He's the first man to do so. That's up in there and taken comfortably. It's a Dinesh Bafna short stay comes to an end. Leading edge and Anil Sawla completes the catch. Wicket sponsored by Team Sporton. Catch It's a Jimmy Giant. Checked it in the air, but landed safely in between the two fielders. Man at deep cover.
Back up, back up.
Sixth over in progress. 34 for the loss of 4 wickets. Good bowling attack maintained by Runex challengers, especially the captain who is maneuvering his troops nicely. Just a simple push straight to the fielder. 1 run to the total.
शाश्वत किनके साथ है तुम्हारा?
That's up in the air. I think that will clear the boundary rope easily. Has he? No, he hasn't. Taken in the deep, and now the wicket goes down. Jimmy Giant picks up his first wicket, and fourth wicket goes down. Naman Chazan has to depart after scoring a 23 run in 15 balls. Has got the start, but not converted that start to very good runs. Wickets catch of the match sponsored by Tim Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor.
कोई भी आए मतलब ये रू या वो कोई भी आए तो उनको देना खास कर मेरे को लेट हो जाएगा
ओके
हाँ
ओके
IG में आ रहा है।
Naman Chazan departs.
इधर देखो लॉन्ग ऑन में
Slight drizzle. White ball, extra run to the total. Slight drizzling, cloudy, muggy atmosphere, dark conditions, cold wind blowing across the ground, chances of rain.
फोर
36 for 5. It started to drizzle. Especially in this tournament, one day or another day, it will be a drizzle definitely. It will be rain definitely, I have to say. Third umpire checking whether it's a clear catch or not, whether the batsman crossed the boundary rope. Looks like okay, but still umpires are having a look at it. Getting bit heavier, drizzle. Out. Yes, out is the signal by the third umpire. Looks okay, getting slow little. Good ball from Jimmy Giant. अंडू करो डॉट हो गए वो भी अंडू करो डॉट last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 6 good shot down the ground used his feet nicely to reach the pitch of the ball I think they will settle for only a single good fielding the man at long on very good decision by third umpire that the last referral 6 overs gone 37 for 5 another 4 overs remaining after 6 overs 37 for 5 Vyom is the bowler in the air and taken again. Another wicket goes down. Wicket number 6.
Lovely catch, guys.
Who is the catcher? Fielder name? Kalp is the man. He has got a very safe pair of hands. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sporton. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Edge. Oh, not carried to wicketkeeper Anil Chawla. Thin outside edge. Genuine nick. Almost another wicket. 37 for 6. Ankush, new batsman. Man at deep square leg. The runs are coming in singles. The boundaries are dried up. Runs also hard to combine. Played it on the outside, straight to short third man. Bharat Chitti is the fielder. Swing and miss.
पैर बीच में नहीं आ रहे तो कोई पैर पैर पैर
Last 3 balls remaining in this Vyom second over. He has got already 2 wickets in his armory. Good shot in the air and well fielded. Not in the air, just the ball hitting the bump ball it looks like to me.
रन नहीं ले देखो लास्ट बॉल में
7 overs gone, 37 for 6. Wicket maiden for Vyom. He is bowling his second over. Down the leg side, white ball just straying outside the guideline, outside the leg stump. 40 for 6. Still it started to drizzle. Played it it with a horizontal shot, agriculture shot, I have to say. Back for a couple, good running though. Jimmy Jain slight fumble. 42 for 6. Oh, good ball, very good delivery. Jumps up nicely, hits the deck round, beats the batsman straight to the wicketkeeper. Anil Chavda, very good wicketkeeper batsman for Remax Challengers, experienced man. Played that one to the onside, there is a fielder. Kalp is the man. Another single.
ओ यार
Eighth over in progress. Good ball, very good delivery.
बॉलिंग यार
Keeps the batsman in a guessing. Played it well down the ground. I think they will get only a single. Oh, lovely shot. Sweet sound of the willow. There is a man. No, put down. Who's the fielder? He has done all the hard work underneath the ball, well adjusted, well, but at the last minute unable to hold on to it. 8 overs gone, 45 for 6. Last 2 overs remaining. Charan comes to ball.
ವೆಂಡರ್ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಅದೇ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಪಿಕಪ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 11:30 ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Played it on the onside. There is a man of the deep, a deep square leg.
लवली
They will get only a single.
इधर
Nicely taken by Charan.
आउट होता तो
ಚರಣ್ ಕತೆ
9th over, penultimate over in progress. Good ball, dot delivery. 46 for 6. 9th over in progress.
बारिश की वजह से रिमोट कैमरा निकाल दिया, रिमोट का रिव्यू नहीं रहता, अंपायर टू टेक ए कॉल.
It's a one notice for the umpires due to the drizzle. The runout camera has been removed. That's why the field umpires has to make their own decision, not to refer for the third umpire for the runout. Please cooperate with the organizing committee.
ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್
Looks like Ankush retired out. New man comes up to the middle, Peter Shanky. అక్కడ ఇద్దరు just in there, Jimmy Jain is the man at long off. Single to finish the over number 9 after 9 overs. 52 for 8, last over to go. Nine overs gone, 52 for 8, last over to go.
रौनक कर रौनक रौनक दे दो एक ओवर दे दो
कल 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 भी है
कल जीतना है आज भी जीतना है
Looks like Jimmy Jain will bowl the third over of his spell and the last over for Team United. It's a 52 for 8 after 9 overs. 10th over to go. White ball, extra run to the total. Plain miss, well bowled. This time altered his length. Some of the batsmen want to hit the ball hard. That's why just altered his length. Bowled a length ball that beats the batter straight to the wicket keeper. 53 for 8. Good shot down the ground. Two is the call. I don't think they will go for the second. Very good fielding in the deep extra cover. One run to the total. 54 for 8. Remax challengers, they are bowling well, not allowing the batsman to score heavily. Kept things pretty tight. Oh, good ball.
अपने bowling यार जिम्मे
Keeps the batsman in the guessing. Jimmy Jain, he's on to his third over, conceded 12 runs and 1 wicket. Another dot ball. This is very good bowling. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 10, 54 for 8. Outside the off stump, white ball. Jimmy Jain having his hand on his hips. He can't believe. He has to believe.
ये जिम्मी व्हाइट डाले तो मैं नहीं पकड़ता अभी
Last 2 balls to go.
कैच पकड़ता
Lovely shot. Single to the total.
वाइड डाले हैं अब एक आया था वाइड इसके पहले अब 1 रन
Ball. That's it. It's all over. 10 overs completed. After the completion of 10 overs, 56 runs for the loss of 8 wickets. In fact, 9 wickets. 57 is the target. Rumex challengers, they need 57 runs in the stipulated 10 overs. Siddharth from the grand staging. White ball starts off with an extra. Want to take the single curve, but Mehul is not ready. Big man. Cuts it well, straight to the fielder.
नहीं भागते नहीं भागते
ತಿಪ್ಪೇಶ್ ಡಗೌಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕವರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಶ್, ಕವರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ. Lovely shot, finds the gap. This will run away to the boundary. Very good timing by Kalp. Gets his first boundary and the first boundary for the team. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Slightly. Just opening the face of the blade, played it to short third man. Good clever cricket from Kalp. The drizzle is getting heavy. Tippeshana covers ready to go. This time played it down the leg side. Rocky Mehul. And he gets a boundary. Very good shot. Rocky Mehul. Played it easily down the ground to the outside, defines the gap. Ball running away to the boundary. Is that go all the way? Yes, it is. A very good shot from Kalpa. Just a gentle push and he gets a boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Tata Sports. Again he cuts it but doesn't time it well.
फील्डिंग रे कॉल बॉलिंग से 4 ओवर में मैच न रहे
Again adapted to that one straight to the fielder. They will go through for the run. Single to the total. 15 without any loss. Takes there in route, clears the infield. Rahul, Mehul, Rocky and gets a boundary, second boundary to Mehul. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Tata Sports Limited. Is in aggressive intent. Mehul looking good. Rahul Mehul Rocky striking at the strike rate of 400. At the moment, very aggressive intent. Played it on the outside, look for the single. Slight of overthrow, but well backed up. 19 without any loss. 2 boundaries in this over, one for Kalpa, one for Mehul. Good shot, played it on the onside, there is a fielder. Mehul has to depart, caught at long square leg, deep square leg. Naman Chajad is a catcher, very good running catch. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan, wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. 2 overs completed and 19 runs for the loss of 1 wicket.
समझ से क्या हर फील्डिंग टू सेट कर करना है हां तो करो ये लोग कई स्कोरिंग पे से बॉल हम सेट कर हमारे सब सेट कीजिए अपनी तरफ से
बैट्समैन ने कृषि
ये शायद अंदर वो डैनी फुटे अंदर हां बस
The new batsman Krishi comes up to the middle. Samaksh into the attack. After 2 overs, 19 for 1. Still 38 runs in 48 balls. Kalpa is on strike. Outside the off stump, way outside the off stump, a big wide ball. Next match important है क्या? PS Strikers चिंतामणि को.
Come on, Samaksh.
उन्होंने जीते तो
पॉइंट टेबल जिंदा रहता है.
So 1 run to the total, just a gentle push to the short third man. कौन सा लास्ट मैच है लास्ट मैच कौन सा है
सर्जिकल स्टार्स बॉबी आज एक ही मैच अच्छा है
Good shot, takes it in road, has it gone the distance, it doesn't, they're back for the couple. So 2 runs added to the total, 23 for the loss of 1 wicket, third over in the mandatory batting power play. No run on the time, the bowler takes the ball. Played it down the ground, straight to mid wicket, oh misfield, just a single. You are defending a low score on the board, you need to field well, not allow the batsman to go for the extra runs.
दिनेश बाहर गया ओके
Kalp is on strike, very good batsman Kalp. Good shot, straight to the fielder. Very good offside player, this man, Kalp.
लास्ट बॉल
Reverse shot attempted. And it's a dot ball. That ends the over number 3. After 3 overs, 25 for the loss of 1 wicket. Comes to attack. Down the track he comes, well bowled Naman.
बॉलिंग नंबर
Dot ball,
लवली बॉल लवली बॉल है
right full toss, And misfield by the man at mid wicket. They're back for the second. Oh boy. Not a clean pickup from Naman Chajad. Couple of runs to the total.
रिव्यू लो नो बॉल का रिव्यू लो 1 सेकंड रिव्यू रिव्यू
Checking for the no ball. Looks like yes, it referred to the third umpire. Trying hard to hit the ball. He is aiming on the onside. Full toss, put away. And put away Einstein with a magnificent six. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Three runs needed. Played it on the offside, easily down the ground. There is a man patrolling the boundary. A deep cover, another single to Kalp. They need 22 runs in the remaining 38 balls. Good shot. Takes the in route. And the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Limited. Private Limited. Of wickets.
Crucial time.
Looks like Kalp retired out.
डाले भाई रौनक को डाले भाई रौनक ना मैं आवरा ये हैंग मैं आवरा रौनक ये
Ronak Jain comes up to the mound.
मैं आवरा सर रौनक ये धीरज मैम
Down the leg side. Just a single. 12 runs needed, 2 big hits away. Krishi is on strike, he's on 7.
lovely ball रे
White ball, extra run, 11 runs needed. Goes Biggie. That's bang, that's 6, take that. Just 5 runs needed, 1 wicket away. Played it on the onside. There is a man in the deep, 1 run taken. I think they are quite happy with only a single. Boundary needed. Can Ronak Jain hit a boundary? Can he hit a winning run? Played it well down the ground. Just a single, no boundary for Ronak. Krishi is on strike, last ball remaining in this over. Oh, might be easy catch for the wicket keeper. Over completed, 5 overs gone, 54 for 2. $30 ball, 3 runs needed. The points table. Next match, Chintamani versus PSG Strikers. Important match for the both teams. Important match for the PSG Strikers. Important match for the Chintamani 11.